Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ever wondered how the International Space Station, or ISS, was put together? Stick around and I'll walk you through this incredible feat of human engineering. The ISS is essentially a giant science lab orbiting Earth, but it's also a symbol of international cooperation. The construction of the ISS started back in 1998 with the launch of Zarya, the first module. This was a joint project between NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA, and CSA. Imagine the coordination it took to get all these space agencies to work together. Now let's break it down. The ISS was built piece by piece in space. Each module had to be launched individually and then assembled in orbit. Yeah, you heard me right. Imagine trying to put together a giant Lego set, but you're floating in zero gravity. Not easy, right? The first two modules, Zarya and Unity, were connected in December 1998. This initial connection was just the beginning. Over the next few years, more modules were added, including laboratories from Europe and Japan. Each module had to be carefully aligned and then connected using robotic arms and spacewalks. One of the most fascinating parts of the ISS construction is the Canadarm2. This robotic arm helped astronauts to maneuver large modules into place. It's like a giant mechanical arm, but in space. Pretty cool, huh? As more modules were added, the ISS grew larger and more complex. Solar panels, which provide power to the station, were also installed. These panels are massive, extending over 240 feet. That's longer than a football field. Living quarters were also added, allowing astronauts to stay on the ISS for extended periods. This made it possible for continuous human presence in space since the year 2000. Think about that for a second. There have been people living and working in space for over 2 decades. The construction of the ISS was completed in 2011, but it's still evolving. New experiments, modules, and technologies are constantly being added. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. So why is the ISS so important? It's not just about the science, although that's a huge part of it. The ISS represents what humanity can achieve when we work together. It's a floating beacon of international collaboration and peace. If you enjoyed this dive into the construction of the ISS, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more to explore in the vast expanse of outer space. Until next time, keep looking up.